How to make a photo colleague on Instagram story. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can make a photo colleague on Instagram story. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go it through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and proceed to open up Instagram app. Then you can tap on your story icon there and then proceed to upload the story. So make sure to upload the first picture that you would like to upload it. So this way. Now what you can do is you can either set this as a background or you can zoom this in by tapping with the fingers and you can set it somewhere on the screen. If you tap on it here on the image here, so you can see, so you can set it this way. Now you can tap on the sticker icon there and then tap on photo again and then proceed to upload another picture here. Right, so tap on another picture and now if you tap on it here, you'll be able to change the shape and you can rotate it as well. So if you tap on it here, you can change the shape as well. So this way, so if you want to set it. So you can do this again and again and add certain number of photos to your colleague and upload it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.